Tanya. I thought since we're having a virtual festival, I'd give you a virtual tour of my workspace here at Cockpit. Here's my bench. It's quite a small space, but I have a lot in it. I have thousands of tools which I have collected over the last few decades. And then here's my bench pin. Nice, ready for use. And here's something I'm working on at the moment, my ring. It's made from 18 karat and tourmaline. I haven't set it yet, but I will. It's going to be gorgeous. And here's another ring I made the other day. A little champagne diamond in 18 karat. Yum. And I've got all my stuff for my flexible shaft. It's rather like a dentist drill, and those of you of a certain age might remember that noise. Ooh, ouch. Flexible shaft tools on there within reach. I have drawers full of files, labels, parallel pliers, couldn't live without them. And then all I have to do is turn around, I get to my soldering hearth. This is my favourite file. It's a #1 barrette file with a safety back. And this is my second favourite file, which is half round, so I can get inside stuff. I thought I'd show you this. This is a very specialist tool. Can you see it? It costs quite a lot of money, but what it does, it enables me to cut at a 90-degree angle or a 45-degree angle, and I can use this with tubing, wire, or sheet metal. Well, anything really, as long as it fits inside. And then my third eye setting tools. And a beautiful little anvil. I use all my tools pretty much all the time. The reason I have everything so close is because once I take my glasses off so that I can see really well, close up, I can't see very far away. So everything is within arm's reach, and I personally like it that way. Hello again. Okay, so let me show you. I use my propane. This is a nice, quiet, pretty cool in the way of things, flame. I can use for most things, mostly silver. And once that's all heated and soft, I will put it in the water and then pickle it. If I wanted to do something a bit hotter, or get a hotter flame, for instance with gold, I'll use my oxy propane. That's the propane lighting, and then you add oxygen with this. Weapon of mass destruction. Air off first. And I hope you enjoyed that. Oh, I forgot to show you I made these in Deer Island up in Haystack in Maine. And that's about it really. Thank you for coming. Looking forward to seeing you all at Christmas. Bye for now.